If you are a 10th board student, wait, before you write your exam, you need to know one important thing, that is how to fill your answer booklet. The first and the most important is your register number. Write it correctly. Even one wrong digit can create a problem during evaluation, and check it twice while writing and before submitting your answer booklet. Followed by the answer booklet number. This number will be given right on top of your answer booklet. This number you'll be writing it over here. Then comes the medium, whichever medium you're studying, that is English, Kannada, or Urdu, you need to write it over here. Followed by the subject, whichever subject you're writing on that particular day, that subject name will be mentioned over here. Then comes the subject code will be given on your question paper itself. Next is your map and graph. If you're using your maps and graph, how many you're using, you need to mention the number over here. Your answer booklet will be having page numbers. Check it out till which page number you have written, and that page number you need to mention over here. If you're taking additional sheets, then how many sheets you have been taken, mention that number over here. Sum it up and write the total over here. And make sure you're not going to write anything in these boxes, because this is only for the use of evaluators. These are the instructions from the board. The first is, do not write your name anywhere in your answer booklet. Second, no student is allowed to leave the examination hall within 30 minutes from the commencement of your exam. If you do so, you need to submit your question paper as well as your answer booklet to the invigilator. And after that, you will not be allowed to return back to your examination hall. Third, always write your question number in the column which is given on the left side of your answer booklet over here. And if you write a wrong question number, if your answer is correct, even then your answer will not be considered for the evaluation. Fourth, do not use pencil to write your answers. Always use a blue or a black ink ball pen to write your answer, and pencil will only be considered for your graph, map, and diagrams. Fifth, if you want to go to restroom during your examination, then you need to submit your answer booklet as well as your question paper to the invigilator, and then you can go out. Follow these instructions carefully so that your booklet will be evaluated without any issue. All the best for your board examination. Write confidently and do your best.